Hello, my friends. Today I have a very cute, sweet, and easy card that you can make. It's going to be fun, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is get out my card base, which is pink. It's going to be a vertical card and open this way. And we're going to go ahead and put the inside first and get that done. This is using this die cut set. It's a postage stamp set that I got from my good friend Mary years ago. I absolutely love it, and I thought it would be perfect for this card. So we're just going to go ahead and adhere this down, and this will give the person that's sending the card enough room to write a message to the person they're sending it to. So there, inside is done. Ta-da! The next thing we're going to do is get our pattern paper and adhere it to the front of the card. So it'll be like this, or maybe a little crooked, you never know. Hopefully not though, unless it's on purpose. Here we go. So we got our hearts down. The next thing we need to do is get out our image. This image is from Creative Fabrica, and I will put a link in the description so you can go look it up. It's so cute, look at him. And the sentiment says, the best thing about this card is the person holding it. Now tell me the truth, if you got a card that said that, that would make you smile, right? I hope so. I know it would make me smile. I just think it's the cutest thing. So we're going to put this right here and layer it right on top of these hearts. And it also used the die cutting postage stamps. Ta-da! Now if you were to send it like that, that would be enough. But we don't like to do just enough, do we? We like to do a little bit more than just enough. So the next thing we're going to do is put a cute little bow. Look at that. And this is from the Stamps of Life. And by the way, I didn't mention it, but this is also where we got our paper from that we're using today. So we're going to put this here, and we're going to use a glue dot to adhere that. So let's put that here. Cute, 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 cute. All right. Oh, and by the way, this ink is Stampin' Up! Old Olive ink. And the sentiment is from Close to My Heart. This is the sentiment. And then the last thing we're going to do, see, I told you it's an easy card. The last thing we're going to do is put a little bit of bling on it. And this also came from the Stamps of Life, which I think is a great name for a company, by the way. Stephanie's brilliant. Okay, so let's see where we want to put. Probably not this color since you can hardly see it, but maybe some blue and some pink, or some gray and some pink. Let's do some gray and pink. So we can put one here. You can put them wherever you want to, and they can be whatever size you want them to be. You don't have to use the same color, same size thing. And we'll put that here. I'm going to put one more up here. Is it good? Do we need to add another one? I agree. I think we need to add another one. Let's put a green one on there. A little one. A little green one. There we go. How's that? Guess what? We're all done. That's how fast this card was to put together. So I know you can do it too. So the outside says, the best thing about this card is the person holding it. It's so cute. And I don't know if you can tell, but these little enamel dots have glitter in them. I think you can see it a little bit like that. And then that's the inside where you can write your message. That's it today. Thank you so much for coming here and spending your time with me. I appreciate it. If you like these kinds of things and you would like to see more, be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and the little bell. I sure would appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.